Look, it's the good old donkey van. Mate, she's a beaut and a perler. Look, we got Bruce too hanging out here, and I drive this far less than this. I mean, you can't get these sweaty stains anywhere else. It does have an issue. The diff is really noisy. It's always been noisy, but it's never gotten worse. And in the words of James, he said, well, it's not making helicopter noises yet, so it's fine. It's quite soothing, isn't it? It's like it's humming to you. But it means that the diff's all messed up, mate. But we need any excuse to use the hoist. Rise, my nugget. Rise. No more lying on the floor. No more lying on the cold ground. We can fix things properly. We're not fixing things properly, James. We're not. So the trick to know that you got oil in it is to have oil all over it. Oh, that's good. That means it's not restricted and it can, freely move with the road. Well, mate, you're in a precarious spot when you can tickle the diff of your nugget van. We have a fix, but James has a fix. And because James is a master mechanic. There's the shoes of a master mechanic. Non-master mechanic. James told me of this trick apparently that used car dealers would do, the shut up a rear diff, which is genuinely, what is it, James?
Put banana skins in there.
Yeah, but not the bananas.
No, just the skins.
That's the energy for us.
The skins are the secret.
So what? So we gotta take, this whole thing has to come off, yeah, for the bananas to go in?
No, I'm gonna put them through this hole.
What? That?
Yep.
Okay. But James is off getting tools, and I'm really important bit.
Oh.
That's what Bruce Tree's really good for. He's holding this stringy crap.
Oh, there's diff oil in it. Oh, that's a weird color.
Oh. It's a worry when the master mechanic who's worked as a mechanic for a very long time says, that's a strange color.
This is gonna be tricky.
Well, here's a poking implement. Fixing the diff.
Oh, it just goes straight through.
It's like James has done this before. Did you work in used car dealers?
Technically.
Hey, this source came from you, by the way.
This was an old trade school secret.
Was it actually?
That's where I learned it, but not from the lecturers.
James is putting so many in there.
I was happy with how many are in there, and James
he's not listening anymore. Oh, look, the dripping's back. There's a lot of guts in this, right? This isn't just a big empty housing, so that's a lot of nanas.
Got stuck on some banana just there.
Well, I didn't hear anything different, did you?
No, sounded the same to me.
No, but mate, a lot of additives say that you gotta drive around a bit before they work, so maybe let's go do some tedious, heavy errands and see if that changes anything. Punch it, James. Give it that donkey pow. Donkey pow. Donkey pow. Oh, donkey pow. Nearly spilt my oak. That should get some weight on the donkey bum. Smash it. Oh, that's pinging. That's pinging. Who dareth have a filthier van than me? Look at this one. Oh, it's beautiful. Oh, no. Garbage! I need to see the... Oh, no. You don't want to see that. I didn't notice a difference at all. Like, not even for the worse. Not that a day's worth of errands is a lot of stress on this, but gotta see what comes out. Okay, well, it's not the same color anymore. Oh, wow. It was orange, wasn't it? Mm-hmm. That's Taco Tuesday brown. Oh, yeah, it's milkshake. It's completely pulverized. I don't know, I was expecting more chunks. Maybe we have to dig around in there with something, see if we can scrape some stuff out. See if I can pull any chunks forwards. Not that I can see. Yeah, I'm scraping forwards and I'm finding nothing. It's It's just pureed into nothingness. Oh, this is a septic system now.
It's a smoothie.
Yeah, yeah. Boost Juice, hit us up for our secret recipe. It doesn't smell really any different, right? It just smells like old gear fluid, right, James?
It does.
It just looks horrifying now. It was bright orange and new looking, and well, it was working fine though. So let's put it back in the van. But yeah, I'm being dead serious. We're putting this stuff right back in there, mate. Like, what if the nanas don't work for the first 50,000 kilometers? Yeah, send her back home. Yuck.
It's filled to the level, so it's overflowing.
Oh, what a horrible... Hang on, I need to splice in, like, what it looked like before we defiled it with bananas, and now this. Okay, but there's still... Wow, so...
So
it's increased in volume.
Yeah.
Well, I can't... There's no chunks at all.
No.
Oh, hang on, is that gritty stuff from this? Or is that from the dirty bucket?
I cleaned the bucket.
Well, there it is. That's the banana then.
That's the banana.
Oh, yuck. We got all the fluid back in, but it can just use maybe one more for good measure. Yeah, one more. Ooh, that one's got a lot of stem on it. James has gotten really good at this, so like if you need nanas put in the back of your donkey van, just ring James on private number and you're all good. This is turning into applesauce looking. Like, it's tilted really far. This is gravy.